So we're just gonna hang here at the campsite, and then we're gonna do all the big fun stuff tomorrow. So after a little rainstorm, we headed out to just kind of walk around the RV park. Behind me is Merritt's Pond. They told us when we went to register at the office that it normally is a blue color, which is what I believe I saw in the pictures online. But if you can see behind me, and I'll do some more videotaping, but the water line, like I'm standing on a dock. Up here, I'm all up on the dock. There's just some stairs that lead down to the water. The boat launch is actually behind me over here, but you're not gonna be able to get your boat in there because the water is all the way up there. So I guess that maybe a drought or something or whatnot, the water level is just really, really low. So all of the docks and stuff, like it's gonna be hard to get down to the water. But they said they hope that by next spring that it'll be back to normal. So maybe this is just a seasonal thing here in Mariana. I'm not quite sure. But it is. So we just got done over at the waterfall, which isn't really like a true waterfall. It's just, if you've read anything about the park, the water has eroded through the limestone, creating a massive